Hello, in this video I will show you how to make a Windows 11 image backup. So to do that, you need to make sure you have enough external hard disk. And also, when you right-click the external hard disk, go to Properties, make sure it is NTFS format. Okay, and then you need to go to the search, type in control panel. I will just type in control here, you will see the control panel. Then after you open control panel, you can see the system and security under it. Under this one is backup and restore Windows 7. Click that. Then here you can see create system image option. And if you don't have the Windows 11 disk, media disk, you need also create a system repair disk. Okay, let's do the first step, create system image. Now I search the password, search my external hard disk. Select that. Make sure you have enough space. Go to next. It will show the default. By default, it is backup the whole hard drive in your laptop or desktop. Click next. Which is encrypt. Okay. Will not encrypt. Okay. It's okay. Start. Then it will start the image backup. It will take about half hour because I'm using a normal hard disk. If you have SSD hard drive, it will faster. And if you have error message like shadow copy not enough space, our shadow copy not enabled, please view my other video to see how to fix that. Check my channel. Okay, so I wait until it finished. Now we finish the system image backup. It will automatically pop up a window ask you, do you want to create a system repair disk? So if you don't have system CD or DVD, you can use this option to create a CD or DVD. And if your laptop don't have CD-ROM, you need to buy an external CD-ROM and use a USB to connect to your computer to do that. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.